guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. It has felt like forever in a million years since I have sat down and chatted with you guys, so hello. How are you guys doing? How was your holidays and New Year? I feel like it's been forever, like I said, but it's been literally just like 2 weeks since I've uploaded. But I wanted to come on here and film a vlog style type video. I have some sales to share with you at Target, and I also want to show you guys how I decorated my living room for the remainder of winter time. So this will be a vlog style type video, really chatty, so if you guys don't like those types of videos, I will catch you in the next one. But we have some things to catch up on since it has been a little while. So first things first, I wanted to talk to you guys about my YouTube upload schedule for the year of 2021. Now, towards the beginning of 2021, I am going to be uploading less frequently. I'm going to shoot for 1 video a week, but it may be 1 video every 2 weeks. It just kind of depends on how my schedule is looking and how busy I am. There's been a lot of things going on behind the scenes. If you guys didn't know, I started a little side business called Zoe & Co Creations, where I create book stacks, wooden book stacks, and some beaded garland. I will most likely be trying to venture into other creations, but for right now, that is what I'm making, and that has taken up a lot of my time. I also have made some hot cocoa bombs, which has been really fun, really yummy as well. But that has also taken up some of my time, along with working a full-time job and juggling, cleaning the house, hanging out with friends and family, all of that good stuff. So I am going to try and juggle all of those things as best as I can this year, but I'm going to try to not overwhelm myself. I usually tend to overwhelm myself very easily because I want to get as many things done as I can, and I don't give myself very much rest time. So that is going to be one of my goals for this year, is to try and just juggle things a little bit better and remember that I don't have to do everything at one time, and that it is good to have rest days where you can hang out and just watch TV and not have to worry about anything. So we shall see. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen with my upload schedule, but I did want to let you know it would most likely be a little less frequent, at least for the first few months of this year. So we are going to jump into the things that I found at Target. I did post about these on my Instagram. These are all hidden sales, and they are unfortunately going to probably be all gone or salvaged by the time this video goes up, so I do apologize. But like I said, if you do not follow me on Instagram, make sure to do so. I post everything first over there, so you would have known about this weeks ago if you did follow me over there. And then we're going to head downstairs. I spent the whole entire morning cleaning the house and getting a lot of the Christmas decor that was remaining put away. So I do need to still clean my living room area, so I'm gonna vacuum and vacuum the couch. I did take all of my Christmas pillow covers off, so I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate my living room area and what I have done for Valentine's Day. It's not really much in my living room, but I did want to show you guys in this video. Didn't want to make it a whole entire video dedicated to itself just because there wasn't too much to include. So I hope that you guys are excited, and I would love to hear from you guys in the comments down below what you would like to see this year for content wise. It always helps me a lot to know what you guys want to see. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to the video. Okay, so here is a complete haul of everything that I got from Target. So this complete haul was $67 for all of this, which is absolutely crazy. So we're going to start over here with these 3 amber glass jars. There is 3 different sizes, as you can see. This smaller one was $2, the medium size was $3, and the large one was $5, so $10 total. I did get 2 sets of them, and you can kind of see them a little better over here. These are great for putting in your bathroom, or you can use them year-round. These will be perfect for fall time as well, so I couldn't pass those up. I did also get this candle holder. This was on sale for $2. So this is from the brand Project 62. Originally $20, as you can see there, on sale for $2. Could not believe that. I did actually see the other size of that candle holder, but it was only 70% off, and I went back yesterday and they had it marked down to 90% off, but only had the larger size. I did find this faux leather vase. This was originally, I believe, $20 to $25 from the brand Threshold, and this was on sale for $6. I absolutely love this vase. You can use it for so many different things, so I couldn't pass that up. And then the next thing that I got is this shower curtain. This was originally $24.99. I got this for $2.50. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited to use this. I love the coloring on it as well. It's a very neutral shower curtain, but I absolutely love it. I got a comforter as well. This is the full queen, and it is pretty simple as well. You can see by the picture there. This was originally $90. I got this on sale for $24.99, which again is just absolutely insane to me. And then the last thing that I got is this Studio McGee throw. This was originally over $40. It actually didn't have a tag on it, but since I had the DPCI from the girl Aubrey that I follow, which is how I found out about all of these hidden sales, I will have her Instagram link down below. I did have the DPCI, so customer service did give it to me for $12. The inside of this blanket is absolutely heavenly. It's so soft. I'm going to unwrap this after I film this video, throw it in the washer so that I can go ahead and cuddle up on the couch with this. So that is the complete haul from Target. I still can't believe that I found all of this stuff for $67. If you guys got anything from the hidden sale at Target, let me know what you got in the comments down below. I would love to hear. We're gonna head downstairs. The puppy dogs are sleeping right now. She was just snoring. Lola's passed out. Oh, she just woke up. And then Miss Sozy girl is passed out. Huh. Were you sleeping? We're gonna head downstairs and get to decorating, and I'll show you guys what I came up with. Okay, so we are now downstairs. I have my vacuum ready. I do have my attachment for the couch as well. I love my vacuum so stinking much. I've had it for 3 years and it's been amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the coffee table, and then I'm going to put some of the odor stuff on the carpet and let that sit for a little while, and then we'll vacuum everything, vacuum the couch. It's gonna stay mostly like this so you can kind of see an overview. And then I'm going to spray down the couch with some Lysol spray as well, just to freshen it up a bit. And then I'll show you guys what the rest of my living room looks like in just a second.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow smoke through my cigarette.
Okay, so the blankets just came out of the dryer, so I was able to put those back. I'm gonna show you guys an overview of what my living room looks like. The tree was right here and I made my couch smaller for Christmas time, so I do have my side table back over here, the dog's toy bin. And then for the coffee table, I didn't really change much except taking the presents away on either side and putting these lanterns. These are from Kirkland's, but unfortunately I can never find a link to them. So if I can find something similar, I will link them for you guys. But other than that, nothing has changed with the coffee table. So for Valentine's Day, I don't do much on the couch really at all. I just put some pink pillows, which these will stay all the way until like the end of summertime. So I got these pillows right here from Home Goods. These actually had all the pillow covers in it, so I'm trying to fluff them up again so that they look good. The white ones are pillow covers as well. I got these from Amazon and I will have those linked for you. Over here in the corner of my couch, I just have 3 pillows. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these here. Not a huge fan, but I did want to show you guys what my parents got me for Christmas. My mom actually made us this pillow with our picture in the middle of it, so I do like to keep that on our couch. I do have this pillow from Kirkland's that I got probably over a year ago, and then I just have a pinkish pillow in the back. And then I also put this pink throw blanket that I got from Marshall's. It's really soft, but it does get caught on the dog's nails all the time, so I wouldn't recommend a throw like this, but I do like it for the spring and summer, and it goes well with the Valentine's Day theme. And I just have these same 2 pillows on the other side, and I have my Cozy Rae Dunn blanket. Nothing has really changed on this wall either, except I took the Mary sign down from the wreath. So backing up, giving you guys an overview of the living room and what it looks like right now. Nothing too special, but I like how simple it is. So now coming around to this side of my living room, again, nothing really has changed too much, except I took down the Christmas stuff. So I did keep the snowflake sign because obviously it's still winter. Changed out the little gnome on this side. And then for my blanket ladder, I recently just got this pillow from the Target Bullseye Playground. And then the pillow down here is from the Bullseye Playground as well a few years ago. So moving over to my floating shelves that I have, I just put this heart that I got from the Target Bullseye Playground. And then I just added some miscellaneous things to the shelf. I really like how simple it looks right now. I love these floating shelves. They are from Hobby Lobby. I will have them linked down below for you guys if you are interested. So that is pretty much it for my living room area. Like I said, not much has changed, but I will have as much as I can linked down below for you guys. That is going to conclude this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.